Hey everyone, I'm Joy, and I'm going to walk you through how to achieve the classic confidence makeup look to enhance your favorite features with confidence. First, I'm starting with foundation and concealer. The shade I use is Ivory W150 in the Time Wise Luminous 3D Foundation, and Deep Ivory in the Perfecting Concealer. If you need help finding your flawless face match, reach out to your independent beauty consultant. I'm placing Mary Kay Chromafusion eyeshadow in rose gold all over the eyelids as a base, using the all-over eyeshadow brush. Then, I'm grabbing Hazelnut and blending it into my crease using the eye crease brush. Next, I'll brighten up the inner corner and brow bone with Crystalline using the eye smudger brush. To finish off the eyes, I'm tracing a thin line with the Mary Kay Chromafusion eyeshadow in Espresso and the Mary Kay Eyebrow eyeliner brush. Then, using my favorite Mary Kay mascara, Lash Love Lengthening, I'm applying 2 coats to the top lashes and only 1 to the bottom. If you want to accentuate your eyes even more, swap the Espresso shadow for Onyx and generously coat your lashes with the Lash Intensity mascara. My look never feels complete without blush. I'm applying Mary Kay Chromafusion blush in Shy Blush to the apples of my cheeks, plus a sweep of Mary Kay Chromafusion highlighter in Glazed to enhance. Finally, I'm filling in my lips with Mary Kay Gel Semi-Matte Lipstick in Red Stiletto. If red isn't really your thing, you can try the shades Very Famous or Powerful Pink to achieve that bold lip look. And that's it. I'm feeling so confident. If you try this look, share it on social media and be sure to tag Mary Kay US so we can celebrate your confidence right along with you.